Perfect, no turbulence.
A giant ship glides through calm waters. Everything is perfect.
Acknowledged.
Clear skies ahead.
The sky is changing. But the sky begins to change.
Wind is getting stronger! A strange wind rises! Waves are rising! The ocean awakens! Secure everything now!
The captain orders immediate safety measures.
Hurry! Fast! Lightning!
Lightning strikes the sky!
It's getting bigger! The waves grow higher.
Hold on!
Stay focused! Secure the deck now! Now!
We can't hold!
Engine is failing!
Wave hit us!
A massive wave hits like a wall! Water floods the deck!
Water is everywhere! No escape!
It won't start!
The crew tries to fix the engine.
It's stronger! Another wave! Even stronger! The ship begins to tilt! Ugh. We're tilting!
Help!
Stay calm. Stay focused.
It's a hurricane!
The lights flicker. Power's failing.
Launch them now!
The crew attempts lifeboats.
No! The boats!
Impact!
The deck cracks! Metal bends!
It's breaking! I can't hold! Not yet!
The captain holds the wheel.
The ship starts sinking slowly. We're sinking.
We're trapped!
Help! Anyone!
Horn now!
This is it.
Darkness.
The ship tilts heavily.
We're done!
Stay with me.
captain's last breath is a prayer.
The ship vanishes beneath the waves. Silence follows the storm, an eerie calm. Only debris remains.
The ocean returns to calm.
A single life jacket floats.
This disaster will never be forgotten. The ocean keeps moving.